Welcome my dear student. So in this video we are going to see what is Matlab and basic information about Matlab. What is Matlab? Matlab stands for Matrix Laboratory because it is basic data element is a matrix. And Matlab can be used for math computation, modeling and simulation, data analysis and processing, visualization and graphics, and algorithm development. Matlab has 8 different windows, namely command window, editor window, help window, launchpad window, command history window, workspace window, current directory window. Now we are going to see each window one by one. First, command window. So the command window is the main window and open when Matlab is started. Second thing, the command window is the only visible window, and this can be done by either closing all other windows. And the command window also worked for enter the variable and run the program. So if you have opened this Matlab, defaultly it will be open the command window like that. So this is the format for the command window. So further we are going to discuss how to work the command window. So this is the figure window. The figure window open automatically when graphics command are executed and contain graph created by these commands. So this figure shows that equation form y equal to x cos x. So if you are writing the program for y equal to x cos x in Matlab, we get this figure. And next window, the editor window. Editor window used for writing and editing program. This window is opened from file menu in the command window. It is the most important window because if you want to type, if you want to run any program, so you must use this editor window only. Next, help window. The help window contains help information, and this window can be opened from help menu in the toolbar of any Matlab. This provides the tools and demonstration and documentation. Command history window that contained logs commands entered in the command window. Workspace window, it provides the information about the variable that are used in the user. Next one, command directory window. It shows the files in the current directory. Working for command window. So when we have opened the command window, so it displays the first one is the command prompt symbol. Double time greater than symbol is the command prompt symbol. So first you should follow, to type any command, the cursor must be placed next to the command prompt only. Next, once a command is typed and enter key is pressed, the command is executed. However, only the last command is executed. Several commands can be typed in the same line. This done by typing a comma between the command. So if you are, when the enter key is pressed, the command are executed in when the enter key is pressed, the commands are executed in order from left to right. So that does it mean that having more than one statement type in a single line, so each one is separately executed from left to right onwards. And next thing is, once the command is executed, we cannot make a correction or re-execute the same command. So if you want to show this command and be recalled to the command prompt with up arrow key. When the command is displayed at the command prompt, it can be modified if needed and executed. The down arrow key can be used to move down previously typed commands. When a command is typed in the command window and enter key is pressed, the command is executed. Any output that the command generates is displayed in the command window. And next, the most important, the semicolon. If a semicolon is typed at the end of the command, the output of the command is not displayed. Typing a semicolon is useful when the result is obvious or known, or when the output is very large. If several commands are typed in the same line, the output from any of the command will not be displayed if a semicolon is typed between the command instead of commas. When the symbol percentage is typed in the beginning of the line is designated as a command. This means that when the enter key is pressed, the line is not executed. And the last one, the CLC command clear the command window. After working the command window for a while, the display may be very long. Once the CLC command is executed, a clear the window is displayed. The command does not change anything was done before. The next one, arithmetic operator with the scalar in Matlab. So we know the arithmetic operator: addition, subtraction, multiplication and division, and so on. So now, sum of operations we follow the same notation. In few of us it will be changed. Addition use as usual, we are adding two numbers. Subtraction is also mean the same. Multiplication we are using different symbol. Usually we are using multiplication cross symbol. Here we use the symbol star. And we are using only one division. Now Matlab is having two division. One is the right division, another one is left division. For example, 4 divides 2. If you are using right division, means 2 divides 4. That is, answer is 2. Left division means 4 divides 2. The answer is 0.5. Exponential, next one. It is the rising to the power. If you want to raise the power, 2 to the power 3, 4 to the power 2. So that is the sense we are using the exponential. So that is cap symbol we are using. So 4 to the power 2 equal to 16. So next thing, the order of precedence in the Matlab. So we know the last sections we discussed about the basic arithmetic operator. In the arithmetic operator, we frame some order. So that is, we are using order of precedence. So Matlab executes the calculation according to the order of precedence only. So the first thing, parenthesis, nested parenthesis and innermost. Second order, explanation. Third order, multiplication, division. Fourth order, addition and subtraction. So next thing is Matlab calculator. So using this precedence of operator, only the calculator can be evaluated. The simple way to use the Matlab as a calculator, this is done in the command window by typing mathematical expression and pressing the enter key. Matlab calculates the expression and responds by displaying answer equal to and the numerical result of the expression in the next line. So now we're going to see how to evaluate the Matlab calculator. For example, 7 plus 8 divided by 2. By the precedence, order of precedence, first evaluated 8 by 2. This right division is first evaluated. So 8 by 2 is 4. So 4 plus 7, answer is 11. So next thing, 7 plus 8 divided by 2. So 7 plus 8 is inner bracket. So by the order of precedence, the bracket parenthesis first thing. So 7 plus 8, 15 divided by 2, so answer is 7.5. Next one is 5 to the power 3 divided by 2. So 5 to the power 3 is first executed. After we divide with the 2, so answer is 62.5. So next one, the display after the evaluation of Matlab, the answer evaluation of Matlab, the answer displays like that. The user can control the format in which Matlab displays out on the output of the screen. The output format is fixed point with 4 decimal digits, which is a different format for numerical values. The format can be changed with the format command once the format command is entered. All the output that follows is displayed in the specific format. Matlab has several formats for displaying number. Details of these format can be obtained by typing help format in the command window. The format in which number are displayed does not affected by Matlab, computers and save numbers. Matlab has several formats for displaying numbers. Details of these formats can be obtained by typing help format in the command window. The format in which numbers are displayed does not affect by Matlab computes and save numbers. The first one, format short. It is fixed point with 4 decimal digits only. Second one, format long. It's a fixed point with 14 decimal digits. Format short E, it is scientific notation with 4 decimal digits. Format long E, scientific notation with 15 decimal digits. Format short G, best of 5 digits fixed or floating point. Format long, best of 15 digits fixed or floating point. Format bank, 2 decimals only. After point decimal, take only 2 digits.